Tesla Sentry Mode is a built-in security feature that uses the car's external cameras to monitor its surroundings for potential threats like break-ins or vandalism. When activated, it records video and sends notifications to the owner if suspicious activity is detected. It's designed to deter crime and provide evidence if an incident occurs. Sentry Mode is available on most Tesla models, including Model S, Model 3, Model X, Model Y, and Cybertruck. To enable Sentry Mode, start by opening the Tesla app on your smartphone. Navigate to the Safety and Security section in the app settings. Alternatively, from inside your Tesla, access the touchscreen and go to Controls, then Safety, and select Sentry Mode to activate it. Before using Sentry Mode, make sure your Tesla account is active and connected to the internet. This enables notifications to be sent to your device. For the best results, park your Tesla in a well-lit area. This helps the cameras capture clear footage when Sentry Mode detects activity. You can customize Sentry Mode by setting sensitivity levels to low, medium, or high. This helps balance between catching threats and preserving your battery life. For Teslas equipped with full self-driving, Sentry Mode can automatically turn on in high-risk situations, such as when parked in unfamiliar areas or during updates. When Sentry Mode is active, the car's 8 external cameras provide a 360-degree view of the surroundings. Recording begins when motion, sound, or vibrations are detected within a 5 to 10 meter radius. The footage is stored locally on the car's SSD and can optionally be uploaded to Tesla's secure cloud. Video clips are typically 1 to 5 minutes long, including a 10-second pre-event buffer. You can review and download footage directly from the Tesla app. When Sentry Mode detects an event, you'll receive push notifications via the Tesla app or email, alerting you to suspicious activity, impacts, or unauthorized access. These alerts may include a live stream preview. Notifications are customizable, allowing you to disable alerts for low-threat events like animals. In emergencies, Tesla can escalate to local authorities if you've opted into that service. Sentry Mode consumes power while active, drawing about 5 to 15 watts depending on ambient temperature and camera activity. This can drain 10 to 20% of the battery overnight if the car is unplugged. Plugging the car in mitigates this issue, such as when using a supercharger. Newer Tesla models with improved battery technology, like 4680 cells, have reduced the battery drain by around 25%. It's generally recommended to use Sentry Mode only when necessary to preserve range. Tesla's V12 software update from mid-2025 introduced enhanced AI detection for Sentry Mode, cutting false positives by up to 40%. The system now better distinguishes between harmless activities like wildlife and real threats such as break-ins. Vehicles equipped with full self-driving version 12 and above now see Sentry Mode activate automatically in risky scenarios, such as during over-the-air software updates or when parked in unfamiliar locations. The Cybertruck includes ruggedized cameras built for harsh weather conditions, along with an extreme mode designed for extended off-grid parking. The future of Sentry Mode involves integration with home automation systems through Tesla's API, creating a connected security ecosystem. This allows your Tesla to communicate with devices like Ring cameras and smart locks for comprehensive protection. Battery-efficient AI will be crucial for this evolution. Expect Sentry Mode to become Guard Mode with predictive analytics by 2027, using fleet data to anticipate threats before they occur. Advancements in battery technology, such as solid-state batteries, will virtually eliminate battery drain concerns during Sentry Mode operation. This makes continuous monitoring practical for all EV owners. Overall, Sentry Mode is poised to become a cornerstone of EV security, influencing the industry and setting new standards for vehicle protection.